April 11th, 1968, a day engraved in the annals of American history when President Lyndon Johnson signed the landmark Civil Rights Act of 1968. This was a time of great turmoil and change in America, an era of intense social and political upheaval. Amidst this backdrop, the Civil Rights Act emerged, a beacon of hope for equality and justice. The Act signing was not without its controversy, but it marked the dawn of a new era, a bold move that forever changed the landscape of American society. Before we delve deeper into the path that led to the Civil Rights Act of 1968, it's important to understand the gravity of the issues it was meant to address. One of the most significant battles fought and won through this act was against housing discrimination. Prior to the act, the housing market was a battlefield of inequality, with discrimination based on race, color, religion, or national origin running rampant and unchecked. The act made it illegal to refuse to sell or rent a dwelling to any person because of these factors, aiming to promote diversity and integration. The impact of this provision was profound, fostering diversity, breaking down barriers, and paving the way for a more inclusive America. As we reflect on the Civil Rights Act of 1968, we appreciate the monumental step it represented in the fight against housing discrimination, a step towards ensuring equal opportunities for all in the housing market, and a step closer to the promise of a more inclusive America. The journey to the Civil Rights Act of 1968 was a tumultuous one steeped in conflict and controversy. The path began with its predecessor, the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This act, while monumental, left many stones unturned. It was the 1968 Act that aimed to address these gaps. This quest for comprehensive equality was met with fierce resistance. The act was deemed controversial, seen by many as a step too far in the fight for civil rights. Yet amidst this turbulence, a wave of courage swept through the halls of Congress. There were those who dared to stand up for what was right, even in the face of unpopularity. They voted for the act, choosing principle over political safety. They put their careers on the line, all in the name of justice and equality. Against the odds, the act was passed, making a significant stride towards equality. More than half a century later, the echoes of the Civil Rights Act of 1968 still reverberate in the fabric of American society. It's like a stone cast into a pond. The ripples of that momentous act still spread, touching lives and shaping futures. It wasn't just a piece of legislation, it was a tangible commitment to equality, a promise of a more inclusive America. The Civil Rights Act of 1968 was a testament to courage. It was a testament to the strength of conviction of the members of Congress who, despite facing immense unpopularity among their constituents, chose to stand for what was right. They chose to advance the cause of equality, to extend the hand of opportunity to all, regardless of race, color, or creed. That courage, that resilience has left an indelible mark on American society. The act has had far-reaching effects, transforming the socio-political landscape and fostering a culture of acceptance and diversity. It has paved the way for equal opportunity in housing, education, employment, and so much more. It has challenged stereotypes, broken barriers, and empowered generations to dream bigger, to aim higher. Today, we feel the impact of the Civil Rights Act of 1968 in every corner of American life. It's in the diversity of our communities, in the richness of our culture, in the strength of our unity. Thus, on this day in history, we commemorate not just the signing of an act, but the courage, resilience, and unwavering pursuit of equality that it represents.